Hello everyone, this is Spencer Jones. Today I would like to show you how to add a clickable link to your YouTube video. If you want to add the clickable link to your video description, like what you see here, all you need to do is go to your video and then once you are logged in, you will be able to see this edit button. You just need to click the edit button, and once you're inside, you just need to add your link in this description box. All you need to do is you need to first add the http colon // followed by whatever URL you want to send your visitors to. Once you have added your link, all you need to do is you need to click the save button, and that's it. You can go here and click the video to check if the link is added. Here you go, this is the link that we added right now. If you want to remove it, again click the edit video link, and then just remove it and then click save. That's how easy it is. On the other hand, if you want to add a link inside your YouTube video, like what you see in one of my videos, let me show you. Like what you see here, if you want to add your links like this, then this is the method to do it. Again, you need to go to your video and then click the cards. It will open in another tab. This is where you can add your link. If you want to add a link, then you can click the link. You need to verify it's your website by going to the settings, and then they'll show you how to do it. So if your website is already added, then you can add your website and then click next, and then your website will show up. There you go, I have added the link, and it will show up wherever you want. You can drag this wherever you want and your website will show up, and it will be showing up with a I button, where it will show up like this. When someone will click the I button, you can see your website. When it's around 129, this link will pop up. Let's see how it does. Let's go back to the video and then click the video, and you can see that there is already a I button here, and once it's 129, let me show you. Once it's 129, it will pop up as click now, like we added. You can also add other videos, like video playlist here. You can choose a video, or you can enter your video URL, and you'll be able to show it like you saw in my previous video, like here, like you see here. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and also do click the ring or bell icon to get notified whenever I release new videos. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.